Welcome to DIY Metals. Today we're going to be taking some of this 999 silver shot, melting it down in that thing, and we're going to be making a few of these. And we're actually going to be giving away one of these. This is 2 troy ounces of silver. We're going to be giving away one of these. Details at the end of the video, so you're going to want to watch the end so you know how to enter. Now the target weight we're going for is 2 troy ounces. Okay, we're at 2.1 troy ounces right there, and I'm going to go with that just in case we have a little bit of loss in the pour. So let's get the kiln loaded up. And then fire the sucker up and get her up to temp. So now that we've got everything up to temp, got on our gloves, come in here, remove the crucible, and get our 2 troy ounces of silver poured into our pirate mold that we've been keeping hot with a MAPP gas torch. And look at how cool that just came out. And we're actually going to be giving away one of these. This is 2 troy ounces of silver, and we're going to be giving away one of these to one of our awesome subscribers as kind of a launch to this channel. So all you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel and then go down below and leave a comment. After this video has been up for 1 month, we are going to comment back telling you who to email, and we're going to ship this out to you totally free. Now, on my other channel, I've done a couple giveaways and we got hit by scammers, so only respond to me, not somebody else. I'm not going to ask for payment for shipping or anything like that. I'm just going to ask for your address. That is it. So please go down below, hit that subscribe, and leave a comment, and we will get this shipped out to you. And look at that, those really came out nice, and these haven't even really been polished. These are just right like this out of the quench, and they already look great. So that is 6 troy ounces of silver in total, 2 troy ounces in each, and that's how they look right out of the quench. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button, because we're gonna have a lot more stuff like this, as well as stuff about coins, precious metals, and all that good stuff on the channel in the future. So if you're into that stuff, hit that subscribe button so you know when we come out with more content. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and of course, thanks for watching.